So let's talk about the book. Inside the book, I'll kind of talk just quickly. It's actually broken into three parts. The first part is kind of decision making and preparation. So we talk a lot about how to make sure that, one, how did you get to where you're at? What is your inner compass telling you? How to prepare for the journey ahead. A lot of that is financial planning and what to do during your break. The second is the actual career break, which is founded on the top 3 principles of play, pause, and plan. And we go through each of those and the experiences you'll go through for each of those. And the third is disembarkment, which is essentially what life on land is going to be like when you re-enter and how to prepare you for that with systems and tools to get you to that point. Each chapter has a few kind of core things. The first one is the fact that there's a ton of stories of people who have taken career breaks as well, my own personal story and my own journey through the process.